ang cooking calabrese for lunch. Yan. And how about my sabaw? Tanglad, binukugan, gulay is letter na kaya pa siya nalatsain. Para malatsa na siya, lagyan natin ng gulay. Yummy, 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 and that's on me. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Diba? Sarap ng sabaw. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Sayonara. Minasan itadakimasu. Mangantayon. Babus.